Better retirement planner honest review. Watch before using. The better retirement planner is a financial planning tool designed to assist individuals in preparing for retirement. While specific details about features are limited, a recent video review provides some insight into its functionalities. And here are the pros and cons about this platform, which talks about the advantages and the disadvantages about this platform. So to get started with the advantages, it comes with a user-friendly interface and a scenario analysis, which makes it offer capability to run different retirement scenarios, helping users understand the potential outcomes based on various financial decisions. And here's the downside, which is the disadvantages about this platform, which is limited public information and a lack of independent review. Aside from the recent video review, there are few independent evaluation or users testimonies available to guard its effective and reliability. And here's the very conclusion about this platform. The Betterment Retirement Planner seems to offer a basic retirement planning functionalities with a user-friendly interface. The limited publicly available information and lack of independent review make it difficult to fully endorse. So potential users are advised to approach with caution and seek additional information before relying solemnly on tools for retirement planning.